Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get more than 25,000 worth of free Oracle certification 2025. Join the race to certification 2025 and this is a limited period offer. So Oracle is offering the free certifications through the race to certification 2025. This is a September is going to be end this program and for a limited time, so take advantage of this opportunity and earn certifications and advance your career. So this is the url, registration url. We'll go through that. So race to certification 2025, there is a four categories there: OCI, AI, multi-cloud and data. So get certified for free up to July 1 to October 31st 2025. Okay. So join the certification 2025 from 1st of July to 31st of October. And there is a four categories there. AI, inside the AI there is a OCI AI Foundations. This is a foundation associate certificate. This is the professional level certificate. OCI generative AI, Oracle AI vector search, OCI data science. So these last three are the professional certificate. This is the foundation certificate. Okay, so this comes last professional will comes under the OCP, Oracle Certified Professional. And next, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. The OCI foundation is there. This is a foundation associate, OCI architect. This is associate level, and OCI migration architect. This is the professional level, and OCI networking. This is also professional level. And OCI developer professional level, OCI DevOps professional level, and OCI application integration. This is the professional level, means OCP certificate. Then OCI observability and Oracle Redwood application developer. Okay, this is the associate level. So these are the certificate, and go to the next category, that is the multi-cloud. In multi-cloud there is a two certification as there. One is the foundation. This is the OCI foundation, and OCI multi-cloud architect. This is the professional level. And next there is a data. In data there is a Oracle data platform foundation associate, Oracle autonomous database cloud. This is a professional level. And Oracle database services apex cloud developer, analytics cloud, AI vector search. So these are the professional level. And MySQL HeatWave implementation associate. This is associate level, and this is going to be expired in Jan 2026. So don't go for this certification. And other certification are professional level and foundation level. One foundation level. So go just select one of these certificates and bring your certification journey. How you will start your certification. Once you activate your promotion, you will receive the two free exam attempt in myland wallet. So you will get the two free attempts. So you can two free attempt, you can go for the two certificate also. So there is a learning path is there. So go through the learning path and learn something about this for this before the certification. And achievement level 1, complete one digital course and pass one certification exam. You will earn one certification exam attempt valid until October 31st 2025. And rest to certification level 1 digital achievement promotion kit, and an OU learning community level 1 digital wedge, a ranking on thus rest to certification 2025 leaderboard. So this one level 1, there's a achieve the level 2, there is a complete 2, then you will get a total exam completion of 2. You will earn one additional certification attempt valid up to October 31st. And you will get the same in level 3. If you will complete the total certification exam 4, then you will learn one more, but this will be one valid unto 31st of 2026, month means 1 year more. Okay, and remaining all are near about same. So gain special recognition by end of the promotion. The top 500 individual who successfully completed level 1, level 2, level 3, the most number of certification, and fastest time and highest passing score will be received. So two exam attempt until the 31st of October 2026. So this is the 500 winner digital achievement promotion kit. So this is the process. So how I'll do, first go to your sign in. So from here also join the rest, both the way you can go. So sign in or create an account. If you are new, then you have to go through the created account. So just assume that create an account. You are the first time you are going to use. So create your Oracle account and you fill all the forms, email address, password, retype password, country, name, job title, work phone, company name, and address, city, and other details. When you will create, you will get a activate account link. After activate account, you will just put your email address here and go to the next and put your password, sign in. So you are in the race to certification 2025. So join the race. So click on join the race. So there you can see there is a redirecting. Wait for some time. Okay. So you got after activation you got this page. Okay. So just assume for AI you are going to do this. So click on start. Or you can choose any of this. So if you go to the data, then data also same. So you can click on start. When you start, click on start, you will get this page. So enroll this path. Okay, then activate your account. When you enroll in this path and activate your account, you will get a this thing. So you have to complete this part. So this is the 4 hours 15 minutes. When you will click, you will get a page and there is a video tutorial and some skill test is there. You will pass all the things step by step. Then last you have a certification exam. Okay, so this is a foundation level certification exam. And if you start before doing this, complete the previous process. So they are giving you the 15 times. So free attempts is the 15 times for the this certification, and this certification is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 AR Foundation Associate 1Z0112225. So this is the certification code. So complete the previous task, this thing, activate your account and do. So similarly you can do this one. This is for the foundation level. If you are going for any of the professional level, then process is somewhat different. So same thing is there, but you have to register here. So if you complete this thing, all the things, then go for the registration before doing this part. Don't go for the registration because this is a professional level exam, or you have to schedule the exam like this. Okay, so this is the certification exam online. So go for the schedule your exam, and this is the page. Check your time zone. Plus 5:30. I'm from India, so Indian time will be the 5:30. Date, check one date or not. Let me check with the any of the date. Okay, just assume 30th. So it will show you the time zone, time share. So just select your time, just like 12 m. Select rest to certification, save, and your name, your phone number, and save, confirm, continue, term and condition, read all the term and condition, agree, and schedule your exam. So your exam is scheduled for this particular date. You will get a mail regarding that. So I am showing you mail also. So this is the mail. So congratulations, Chirag Mahto. This is the certification number, and this schedule for the 30th September, 90 minutes, and schedule time will be the 12 a.m. You can 30 minutes. Check-in time will be the 11:30 p.m. and there will the check-in will be activated. So in this page, check-in is not activated when before 30 minutes, approx 30 minutes, if the checking will be activated and remaining all will be removed. So this is the process and check in and give the exam and get certified. So in this video we will learn how to get 25,000 more than 25,000 worth of free Oracle certification 2025. Join race for the certification. This is a limited time offer. So step by step process is there. Registration link is this one. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe for the more video. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.